Hello everybody, this is teacher Byalwanga Ivan, a teacher of mathematics. So today we are going to handle a subtopic under functions which is called composite functions. Composite functions, I think, dear learners, some of you have ever looked at what we call composite functions, but let's still study or make a review on composite functions. A composite function is a function that is combined by two or more functions to form or to create a new function. It is created when a function is substituted into another function. You get a function, you substitute it into another function. It's like plugging a machine into another machine. It is denoted as f of g of x, where f and g are functions, and g of x is the input of f. I.e., we are given f of x as x plus 3 and g of x as 6 minus 2x. And we are required to find f of g of x and g of f of x. Solution part 1. Here we have to find f of g of x, but our f of x is x plus 3 and g of x is 6 minus 2x. Now we have to get f of g of x. Here we have to find the f of g of x. Here in the function f of x, we have to find f of g of x. But in order to get f of g of x, we substitute x in f of x with the g of x. Where there is x, we substitute it with the g of x. Here we get to 6 minus 2x plus 3. Then we correct like terms. We get 6 plus 3 minus 2x. The moment you add 6 and 3, you get 9 minus 2x. Since these ones are different terms, you can't subtract them. Therefore, this one becomes the answer. Roman 2, we are required to find g of f of x. But we've seen that our g of x is 6 minus 2x and f of x is x plus 3. Now, to get g of f of x, we substitute x in the function g of x with f of x. So here we get 6 minus 2x. Then we substitute x with f of x. We get 6 minus 2 into x plus 3. Here we have to first remove brackets. We get 6 minus a negative and a positive. We get a negative. 2 times x, we get 2x. A negative times a positive, we get a negative. 2 times 3, we get 6. Then here, we correct like terms. We get 6 minus 6 minus 2x. But 6 minus 6, we get a 0 minus 2x. Finally, here we get a negative 2x as the answer. Therefore, thank you, dear viewers. Bye-bye.